Hello, this is Dr. Ebru Ünal. I am cosmetic gynecologist working in my cosmetic gynecology clinic here in Vadi, Istanbul. In this video, I would like to talk to you about labioplasty, how I perform it, what you would expect from my surgery, and how you will survive after the labioplasty surgery. If you are looking to a good clinic to perform an affordable and very effective labioplasty surgery, you are in the right video now. Labioplasty is the surgery to reduce labia minora size. But during labioplasty surgery, mostly, almost 90-95%, I perform clitoral hood reduction with the labia minora size reduction. I do labioplasty surgery under local anesthesia. Labioplasty is the most common surgery I perform in my clinic, and we have a lot of international patients coming from abroad for labioplasty surgery. This means we don't have much chance to evaluate them before the surgery. If you are planning to come to our clinic for labioplasty surgery, we may do an online consultation before scheduling your surgery, and when you arrive in Istanbul at your first visit, after we discuss about the pros and cons of the surgery, we will do your procedure under local anesthesia. It is a very easy procedure. I give a pill which is called Xanax to calm you down. 30 minutes we wait after you take the Xanax, and then we will take you to our surgery room. After I take your before surgery pictures, I marked your inner lips and clitoral area so that we will do the procedure appropriately. I use composite reduction labioplasty technique for labioplasty surgery. It is the most appropriate technique for this area. I know you heard a lot about trimming method or wedge resection method for the labioplasty surgery, but believe me, they are not the best techniques for the labioplasty. I used before wedge resection, I used before trimming method, and I didn't get the optimum result. Now I get with composite reduction labioplasty. With the wedge resection, you may have a hole in the area because of the unappropriate scar healing, because it is not a good suitable technique. With a linear coming tissue, you make a perpendicular cut and stitch, and that causes a serious problem at the scar formation. In the trimming method, yes, you make a linear cut in a linear tissue, but this time you cannot control the frenulum and clitoral area and the clitoral hood area, and it looks a little bit odd. Composite reduction labioplasty gives the smoother aesthetic and functional result. It needs to be done with radiofrequency device. I have Elmon radiofrequency device in my clinic. After I do your marking, I do the local injection, and when we're sure that the local injection is working, we start your surgery, and I do the composite reduction labioplasty with Elmon radiofrequency device. So composite reduction, why it is so effective? Because I correct the hood, I correct the clitoral shaft, and I correct the inner lip, so there is a harmonious result. The result is perfect and it will never cause you any sexual sensation loss, but it will increase sexual sensation. In a study which Dr. Stephen Grace performed, the woman who has composite reduction labioplasty, among women who has composite reduction labioplasty, the result of 35% of women report that they enjoy sex more. Okay, so after the surgery, you will go back to your hotel, and we will check you the next day in our clinic. I hardly request you to be in your hotel, not to go out in Istanbul, entertain yourself in Istanbul, because the healing period is very important for the success of the composite reduction labioplasty surgery. 3 days later, you may travel back to your home, and after 7 days, you may resume your work. After composite reduction labioplasty, we prefer you not to do exercise for the first 3 weeks and no sexual intercourse for the first 6 weeks. The tissue will be swollen for the first couple of weeks, but after 6 weeks, almost 70-80% of the swelling ödem will be resolved, and after 6 months, you will get the best result. If you are planning to come to Istanbul and to my clinic for labioplasty surgery, you may email us or write us through WhatsApp, and we will get in touch with you, and we will plan your journey in our clinic. Come and enjoy Istanbul. All the best.